Hello, welcome back to Ahima. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I already have a video on how to make castor oil, but in this video we are going to be concentrating on how to make the black Jamaican castor oil. So this is another episode on how to grow long and thick natural hair, but with this video we're going to be making hair oil that is going to help grow your hair very fast and then very thick. And this hair oil is Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So if you have already missed some of the episode on how to grow long and thick natural hair, then I would advise that you go back to my channel and then check out all the videos that you've missed. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be part of this family. So with the making of Jamaican Black Castor Oil, you're going to put the castor seed on the fire for hours. So you see that the oil is forming on top of the seed. This is the short form of the video. I have the detailed video on how to make Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And so after using this process to get the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I noticed that the oil that I'm getting from this process is too small. And since it's going to be very difficult for me to strain this whole seed and then get the oil out of this seed, I decided to come up with another process, of which I'm going to be making a video on it, so that I can give you all the details on how to get extra Jamaican Black Castor Oil without losing your time and without wasting your time and then losing all the oils from the seed. So after some time of straining, this is the oil that I'm getting from the seed. So now I'm going to take you to the next process on how to get extra Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next part of this video, where I'm going to teach you how to get extra Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And do not also forget to like this video, share this video, leave your comment if you've tried this before and the amount of oil that you got. So after the next process, this is the oil that I got in total. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video on how to make Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Bye.